Hello everyone, this is YDM Corporation. Today in this video we'd like to introduce you our aligner pliers. As you may know, Invisalign and aligner demand is increasing day by day. So we'd like to take this chance and introduce you our aligner pliers. We have 4 types of aligner pliers. From this side, we have teardrop 448. We have hole punch 451. We have vertical 449. We have horizontal 450. Before doing demo, I would like to talk about common feature of this plier. The shape you can see, all pliers have very thin and fine tip. And with this shuffle curve handle, the female dentist can easily hold this plier and work with this plier. So I'd like to move demo one by one. Here we have a teardrop plier 448, and I'm going to do demo with this plier. With aligner we have here. I have very clear cut and very smoothly I have got this with this plier. And in this place you can use the module here and attach here, and you can pull out and drag the teeth. And this is the feature of this teardrop. Second, we have a vertical aligner plier here 449, and I am also going to do demo with this plier. Here I have aligner. See, I have easily make one chalk here, and with this chalk you can move the tooth. Next we have a horizontal aligner plier here 450. So I like to do demonstration with this plier, and we have aligner here. See, easily I have made clear groove in this aligner, and this groove is used for rotation, to apply a rotation movement on the tooth. Last one, we have a hole punch aligner plier 451, and I'm also going to do demonstration with this plier. And I have aligner here. See, I have made easily one hole in this aligner, and very clear and very sharp hole here. And this hole is uses to attach a bottom here and attach the module in this bottom and drag out the tooth. That's it. I have introduced you our 4 types of aligner plier, and this is YDM quality made in Japan. Keep loving, keep buying YDM instrument. Thank you.